سلام بچه ها، حالتون چطوره؟ امیدوارم که عالی باشید. توی این ویدیو میخوایم کلماتی که توی کلاس به دردمون میخورن رو یاد بگیریم. Classroom vocabulary. اگر تا به حال سابسکرایب نکردین دکمه سابسکرایب رو فشار بدید و روی زنگوله کلیک کنید. اگر که فکر میکنین ویدیوهای من میتونه کمک کنه به دوستانتون تا زبان فارسی رو یاد بگیرن، خوشحال میشم ویدیوهای من رو براشون شیر و باشون به اشتراک بذارید. بریم ببینیم قراره تو این جلسه چی یاد بگیریم. In this video we want to learn 20 words about the classroom. Let's get started with the first one. Whiteboard is this. تخته. تخته. And also in Persian in classroom we say تخته whiteboard. تخته whiteboard. تخته whiteboard. Board pen. Board pen. Magic. Magic. In Persian we say magic. For whiteboard we say magic. Magic whiteboard. Magic whiteboard. Blackboard is تخته گچی. You will write on blackboard with plaster. تخته گچی. Blackboard, تخته گچی. And plaster. Gach. Gach. You will write on the blackboard with plaster. روی تخت سیاه و روی تخته گچی با گچ می نویسن. Notice board. Notice board in Persian we say تخته اعلانات. تخته اعلانات. It means that every news will be on there and you have to notice, you have to pay attention on them because they have news for you and maybe teacher put some excellent assignment on it and hang on it.
The next one is bag. Where's my bag?
Let me just go and bring my bag.
Okay, I found my bag.
With a open zip. Anyway, this is a bag and you will use it for your classroom. Kif. Kif. Or we also say کوله پشتی. کوله پشتی. Backpack. کوله. کوله. Or kif. کوله پشتی. We use all of these words for this beautiful bag. Desk. This is desk. میز. 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 CD player and CD. I had to mention CD player, but also there's no, specific word for saying it in Persian language. If I want to translate the word player, it will be پخش کننده. پخش کننده. CD player یعنی پخش کننده CD. پخش کننده CD. We also say CD player in Persian language, and also CD is CD. We don't have equal word for CD or CD player. Look at this pencil case. I have so many pens in it. And I love this one, this carrot. Yes, this is pen. Yeah, look at this. This is a pen and so beautiful. It's a gift from my uncle and I love it. So, this is pen. خودکار. خودکار. Repeat after me, please. Come on. خودکار. And
Oh my god, this was here and I didn't say. I was looking for it for hours. Okay, anyway.
I'm not a good student because a good student always have to create on a pencil with herself or himself. Pencil, and this is a pencil so sharp. مداد. مداد. This is was pen. خودکار. مداد. خودکار. مداد. Rubber. پاک کن. پاک کن. Yes, this is rubber and just omit every mistake. Be careful because you don't have a rubber in your life. Be careful when you write it down your story life. This is just a pencil case full of, oh my god, this is so beautiful. Just look at it. It's so useful because, wow, this is a roller. خطکش, خطکش, خطکش. I hope you use the roller. Oh my god!
Let me just show you what it is. You know, these are pencils. Oh my god, they won't let me to show you. Here are so many pencils. This is a really tiny and, no,
Tiny and beautiful rubber. Then a beautiful pencil sharpener. یه تراش خیلی خوشگل داره. تراش. تراش. This is تراش. So, we learned pencil, مداد, تراش, پاک کن, پاک کن, جامدادی. This is a pencil case. جامدادی. A roller. خطکش. خطکش. Okay. Let's go to the next word. I don't have any folder. Or maybe I have. Give me a moment. I'm sad because I couldn't find any folder. But I will put a picture of it here. Folder. پوشه. But the table that the student use is desk in English, I guess. Yes, that's what I've learned in my English class. But in Persian, we call both of them میز. میز. Oh no! Give me a minute. We call desk نیمکت. 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 نیمکت or desk. And the teacher's table is میز. میز معلم. میز معلم. میز معلم or میز. And this is called chair. صندلی. صندلی. I know the class chairs are not as comfortable as this one is, but anyway, they are chair. صندلی. 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 And the last word we want to learn is student. دانش آموز. دانش آموز. دانش آموز. No, there is another word that I wanted to teach you guys. Classmate. Classmate of flow student. همکلاسی. همکلاسی or همشاگردی. همشاگردی. همکلاسی is more common. همکلاسی. همکلاسی. همکلاسی is, you know, your classmate shouldn't be your friend. It can be just your classmate. But if you want to say that I'm friend with my classmate, you can say من با همکلاسیم دوستم. We've learned 20 words about the class, but let me give you some examples to how you use them. For example, you forget to bring yourself your pen, pencil, notebook, or anything you needed for the class. And you want to borrow them from your classmate. Then what would you say? Let me teach you two verbs. To borrow and to lend. To borrow, قرض گرفتن. قرض گرفتن. قرض گرفتن. To lend, قرض دادن. قرض دادن. قرض گرفتن. قرض دادن. Let me just play this one for you guys. Oh my god, I forget my roller. Can you please borrow me your roller? خدای من، خطکشم رو جا گذاشتم. میشه لطفاً به هم خطکشت رو قرض بدی؟ میشه لطفاً. Don't forget to use please. لطفاً. Can you please borrow me your... Can you please lend... Can you please borrow me your roller? میتونی لطفاً به هم خطکشت رو قرض بدی؟ میتونی لطفاً به هم خطکشت رو قرض بدی؟ میتونی لطفاً بهم خودکارت رو قرض بدی؟ Can you please borrow me your pen? میتونی لطفاً خودکارت رو بهم قرض بدی؟ Here you are. Here you are. بفرمایید. بفرمایید. Or you can say why not? چرا که نه؟ چرا که نه؟ Here you go. بفرمایید. چرا که نه؟ بفرمایید. چرا که نه؟ بفرمایید. Imagine that you want to go to the bathroom. How would you ask it in Persian? میتونم برم دستشویی؟ میتونم برم دستشویی. Can I go to the bathroom? میتونم برم دستشویی. Can I go out? میتونم برم بیرون. میتونم برم بیرون. It's necessary. واجبه. واجبه. Now another thing that happened to the class is that when you're cold or when you're warm and you want to close or open the window or door. So hot and you will say that please open the window. لطفاً پنجره رو باز کن. لطفاً پنجره رو باز کن. Please close the door. It's so noisy outside. لطفاً در رو ببند. خیلی بیرون شلوغه. خیلی بیرون سر و صداست. خیلی بیرون سر و صداست. لطفاً در رو ببند. Close the door. در رو ببند. Open the door. در رو باز کن. در رو باز کن. در رو ببند. در رو باز کن. پنجره رو ببند. پنجره رو باز کن. Now, if you want to go to the class, the first thing that your teacher will say is that سلام بچه ها. Hi guys. Hi guys. سلام بچه ها. سلام بچه ها. And then they will check the absence. حضور و غیاب میکنن. حضور و غیاب. حضور و غیاب. And they will ask that who is absent and who is present. کیا هستن؟ کیا نیستن؟ Let me see. Is Kimia here? You will say present. It means that you are in the class. حاضر. You will say حاضر. Absent. غایب. غایب. It means that that person is not in the class. اون فرد داخل کلاس نیست. Or غایبه. Absent. And then teacher will say be quiet everybody. همه ساکت باشن. ساکت باشید. ساکت باشید. Everybody attention please. همه توجه کنید. همه توجه کنید. Please pay attention to me. بهم توجه کنید. بهم توجه کنید. بهم توجه کنید. یه نکته مهم میخوام بگم. Pay attention to me. I want to tell you an important tip. بهم توجه کنید. میخوام یه نکته مهم بگم. I want to give you an important hint or tip. Anybody has a question? کسی سوالی داره؟ کسی سوالی داره؟ کسی سوالی داره؟ Do you have any question? سوالی داری؟ سوالی داری؟ If you have any question, please comment me. این ویدیو هم به پایان رسید. امیدوارم که ازش لذت برده باشید. اگر نکته‌ای هستش که من نگفتم دوست دارم بهم یادآوری کنید. توی کامنت ها بنویسید. نظراتتون رو بهم بگین تا ویدیوهای بهتری براتون بسازم. I hope you liked and enjoyed this video. I hope it will be useful for you guys. And if I, didn't mention anything and if I lose something, please tell me in comments. Tell me your opinion to make more and better videos. مراقب خودتون باشید. Be careful and خدا نگهدار.